Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is, do you want to allow this app to make changes or in your system? So app Windows is installer. So repeatedly this startup or randomly, so it is not a normal, it's using in Windows installer. Okay, so sometime corrupted application installer, failed Windows update, Microsoft Store update, application stuck, repair install, schedule the task. You can see, so first you can see this all thing in the event logs. Event type, click to start and type event log. Okay, open it, then extract Windows and then click on application, click to full screen. So you can see warning. So when you click here, so all descriptions here. Okay, so open production service, this dial file failed to error code, device is not ready, perform data service is not able to, like this one. Okay, with time also. Okay, and source code also, event code also, and tasks. So this is easy to troubleshoot. This is warning, then close it. Next, and last and very important method, click to start and repair the Windows system file, dial file, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then type this command, and this command I will give in description, so you can copy and paste. So it will start after that the percentage. When it is completed, then try. After it completed, then try second one. sfc space / scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it is start a percentage. When it is completed, then need to restart your system. Okay, so when system is restarted, then please check it. This is error getting allowed to, and you can install it. Okay, thank you.